Imagine a world where your colleague isn't just a human in a suit, but a robot that might decide to hit the beach instead of the office. Intrigued? You should be, because the future of technology and robotics is shaping up to be far more fascinating and unpredictable than most of us can even begin to comprehend. The journey of technology has been nothing short of miraculous, evolving from the simplest of tools to today's sophisticated artificial intelligence systems. This progression wasn't just about making tools that replicate human actions. It was about creating something that could potentially outthink us. Dr. Hwa A, a visionary in the field, sheds light on this evolution during his talk at the Big Open Q&A in Health and Wealth. He explained that the graphical user interfaces of the past, with their desktop metaphors, were designed with the notion that computers should mimic human operations. Fast forward to today, and the narrative has shifted dramatically. Tomorrow's technologies, Dr. Lim suggests, will pivot on their ability to not just mimic, but to enhance and perhaps even redefine our capabilities. Consider the robots of the near future, as described by Dr. Lim. These aren't just mechanical humans or pets. They're an entirely new form of species that could range from mobile to stationary, from humanoid to utterly alien. Imagine walking into a pharmacy where a robot, rather than your traditional pharmacist, dispenses your medication, allowing the human staff to focus on consulting with patients. This leap in robotic capabilities stems from a broadening understanding of intelligence itself. Dr. Lim challenges the traditional view that human intelligence is the pinnacle of cognitive evolution. Instead, he posits that our intelligence is just one variation in a vast spectrum of potential intelligences throughout the universe. Our so-called general-purpose intelligence is, in reality, just one flavor in a much larger buffet of cognitive possibilities. As we forge ahead, creating synthetic minds, we stand on the brink of a revolution. These new forms of intelligence won't necessarily think faster or better than us. They might think differently. This isn't about creating machines that can outpace human thought, but about crafting systems that can think in ways we cannot even fathom. The implications are profound. In a world that celebrates innovation, the ability to think differently is a priceless commodity. Industrial-strength AI will soon become ubiquitous, embedding advanced cognitive abilities into everything we manufacture. Yet, the real breakthrough will occur when we invent new kinds of intelligence, ways of thinking that diverge radically from our own. Like a calculator, which is a genius in arithmetic, these new intelligences will excel in areas where human cognition may not reach. In closing, Dr. Lim's insights remind us that the future of robotics and AI isn't just about technological advancement. It's about expanding the very definition of intelligence. As we continue to integrate these technologies into our lives, it's crucial to remain open to these new forms of intelligence. They might just redefine what it means to be smart in the 21st century and beyond. After all, the most significant breakthroughs often come from the unexpected quarters, not just from doing things better, but from doing things we never thought possible.